to a PhytoScience event. And I want to thank Sri and Dr. Willi for inviting me for this amazing event to give you a short speech about the history of our stem cells. It was in 2008 when Middle Biochemistry launched the plant stem cells into the market. But then it was 13 years ago, 2013, when PhytoScience launched as the first company the plant stem cell concept to the nutritional world, to the multi-level marketing. And I think this is really pioneering work, and I think PhytoScience is really the trend maker. During all these years, we have explained the product, but what is still kind of difficult to understand is how can plant stem cells work in a body. And the concept is really based on the fact that we take the plant stem cells from apple, grapes, we make an extract out of it, and this extract then will feed the human stem cells in our body, and this will deliver these multiple effects which we have seen from all these testimonials. So, another question which was raised a lot is, what is the difference between plant stem cells and human stem cells, and how can plant stem cells work in humans? And the answer to that question is that plant stem cells feed our human body stem cells with the right nutrition to deliver these effects. And therefore, plant stem cells are safe, plant stem cells are absolutely stable, and plant stem cells have multiple activities. And this is the benefit of plant stem cells compared to human stem cells in a nutritional product. Of course, you ask yourself, what's next? And as you already heard, Middle Biochemistry has launched a new active ingredient which will be used in a new product of PhytoScience. And this new product is called Monojuventa, which will deliver longevity effects to its formulations. Longevity is a big topic resulting in lifespan and health span question, biohacking, hallmarks of aging, and also blue zone concept to give a long, healthy life. And our product, which will modify epigenetic modulations in the body, is a new product which I'm very proud that PhytoScience is going to be the first company to introduce that to the market. So this is the future, and we had the opportunity yesterday to already give a short introduction into this product, and I'm really looking forward to continuing the collaboration between PhytoScience and Middle Biochemistry for another 13 years of wealth and health, as you say. And with this, I want to thank you very much for coming to this event. Terima kasih.
Thank you so much, Zulli.